Good morning, y'all. We are back here. It's Monday. The market has not done much overnight. Um, you know what? I just hopped on, so let's all analyze this market together, check out what's going on, and hopefully we get a W day. So give me a moment here. So it looks like, first of all, how was your weekend? Did you guys do anything exciting this weekend? Did you guys stay at home? Did you guys try to study on this a little bit? How was everybody's weekend? Okay, moment. Sorry guys, one moment. Making sure my live stream is up to date. We did a whole reset. We added a whole new software, so I hope you guys get to the T. You guys get live real time, pretty much real time, you know what I mean? Alrighty. Okay. I like that. Let me see. Okay. I think we're good to go. Alright. Perfect. So, give us a moment here. Now let's both analyze. Market opens at 8:30 Central Standard Time, aka 9:30 Eastern Standard Time, guys. Let's take a look at what we got here. The daily. Let's first look at the weekly. The weekly. Ooh, look at that wick though. Sheesh. If you look at the weekly, it looks like we came all the way down to 17,350. But at the end of the week, we closed pretty much $1,000 back above. So, I don't know about what that means. I don't know if we fill that gap, but honestly, from what it's looking like here, we had a strong bullish engulfing, followed by another two bullish days. Well, this is the third, so we're gonna see what it does after closing time. But what I can assume, only assume. Let me finish real quick analyzing it. Get rid of some of these lines. We don't need these lines anymore. So we had a nice. We've been respecting these trend lines non-stop. So I want to look for a potential at open push up here. Maybe it's gonna reject and fall back down to hit this previous level. Maybe even further down, but we'll see. So far we've been on a nice little uptrend over here. Hourly looks like not really much movement overnight besides that. Oh, yeah, that open. But other than that, okay. Still, to me, it looks like a nice bear flag happening. So You know what I mean? We gotta pay attention. And it's Monday, you know. Sometimes on Monday the markets don't really move too much. They like to, you know, create some new structures. We'll be patient, guys. You know, take what the market gives us. Try to avoid any errors or unnecessary trades because, you know, nobody likes to lose money and whatnot. Okay. And if you guys can let me know, one's in the chat if we're not lagging, two if we are lagging. So just let me know. Because, like I said, I went through a whole process of restarting, re-downloading just for you guys to get the best value you can from these videos, quality-wise and knowledge-wise, to be honest. Still got to work on a few things as myself, but you know what? We just started this, so if you guys just stay patient, follow the journey. Eventually, you know what I mean. We'll all be a great community. Great community working together. Okay. Looks like ES is doing the same, has done the same. ES is another company you can trade, or it's at least ES 500, S&P 500 is what it's called, but pretty much the same thing. They're also back at this right here, resistance pivot point if you ask me, but okay. Excuse me. And we got a morning tea, guys. Essentials, essentials, essentials. Mm-hmm. Alrighty. If you guys see this channel that it's been also going towards all morning, this little channel here, you know, come up here, reject, test this level over here, pull back down, test VWAP, this is VWAP, pull back up to that, test that level, boom, 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 boom. So, you know, something to pay attention for. The trend is your friend. The trend is your friend. So don't ever forget that. Okay. Thank you, Claudia, for letting me know. Thank you for supporting as well. Appreciate it. Much love, much love. What about the music, guys? Is the music too loud? Is it too quiet? Is it fine? Excuse me. Alright, guys, we are pretty much right at that trend line. I'm looking to see if we sell through VWAP here. I think then we have a potential short opportunity. Where'd it go? Let me see. Oh, here it is. There we go. So if we sell through VWAP, if we pretty much go below, close below here, I think we have a potential opportunity to pretty much go back to opening here, if not even here. But the way that it looks like, we're going to continue this trend line until market open. Sorry, guys. We still got a Discord. If you're not part of that Discord, go join. That's also where we, write pre-market plans, send our pre-market plans, post our team wins. We just discuss about what the market potentially might do in that morning, give our thoughts and whatnot. You know, besides this being live, that's also something throughout the day you can converse with us, keep in touch, talk about whatever it is that you have questions about the market, or give us insight on the market, what you might think might happen. So, alrighty. Opa. Alrighty. Alrighty, 5 minutes until the market opens. Excuse me. Market over. Oh wow, pre-market dump, huh? Didn't even catch this real quick. Let's see what's gonna happen. They're just gonna test the VWAP. We're gonna sell down. Let's check it out. We are right at VWAP. We got T minus 40 seconds until the market opens, guys. This will be a strange one. A lot of consolidation overnight. And the market's open. Alrighty. Let's see what the market unfolds for us today. Hopefully a couple thousand, huh? What is going on? When the market opens, I start getting the calls, huh, guys? Alright, so we broke below that trend line structure, but we just tested the VWAP. It looks like we got a full rejection. So we realistically look to get above here, guys, the 670 level. and look for a push up here. But the way that this is at, push up here, test this level, and continue, look for a long to go up. But if we stay below below VWAP over here, if we look to push downwards more, I'm looking for it to come probably here. Hold on, let me check. Yeah, so probably here. Test that and look for a short. But these are just theories again. You know what the market does, what the market wants. Market watchers are always looking. So let's be patient, look for our entries, and try to execute. Alright. Looks like it wants to stay within that trend line. This market, man. We got the 5 minute about to close. Looks like it wants to close back in this trend line. Not much movement, guys, for the open. You know, what is that? 30-point move. First 5 minutes of open. Usually from there, you can kind of, you know, get an idea to pretty much see, I feel like, how the market will move today. You know what I mean? That's a nice little bullish engulfing, especially within the last 10 seconds. So let's see. Try, like I said, it gets above here, pulls back into here. I'm thinking maybe go for, let this 2 minute close. Realistically, this here, let it close here. I would love for it to give one little pullback here and look for a quick little scalp for 40-50 point move, at least, right? So be patient with that, but that's what we're looking for right now, since we got a nice little confirmation that we want to stay in the trend line, as well as nice 5 minute blue candle, huh? You don't move your honey a lot, your tea just sits at the bottom. So we gotta shake it up, shake it up. Mm, there it is. Here's our pullback. If we get back above right here, realistically, I think look for a quick long, guys. So that's what I think I'm looking for. There we go. Let's see what happens. Push back above. Okay. Well, good thing we didn't, right? Take that long before confirmation fully. We needed it to push back above here in order to take the long. And now it is a nice little battle between the buyers and the sellers. And we are above VWAP, which is keeping us at support, but if we decide to go below it like this, we have potential downside pretty much all above here and here. So waiting for this 15-minute to close always as well. Look at these nice 5 minutes. Straight rejection, tested, rejected. Nice, nice bearish candlestick right there. Alrighty, I think we were. We're selling off. Looks like sellers are coming in hot. Hot. We still have not taken a trade, guys. We are waiting for more confirmation. Just because a little sell-off like this does not mean you should get in and sell. There's no reason to. This is one of our monthly key pivot areas, so depending what happens here also, that's where I'll probably look to possibly enter in a trade. Unless this thing just starts dumping, you know. Just starts dumping. There we go. 15-minute. We have 2 minutes until the 15-minute closes. One minute and 10 seconds until the 15-minute marker closes. Let's see if we close below this pivot or above. I think today we are tanking it, guys. I think it wants to close. Yep, all the way over here. I think is that, I don't like when they're just selling off like that because one, you just never know when it's gonna bounce. I don't really trade like that. So just because it was a sell off, I did not see any confirmation to sell off. Besides below VWAP, but at that point, we're patient. We stay patient, especially after this 15-minute close. like we are hitting some resistance here. Whether we continue to sell off or not, I think, yeah, I think not. So here, while hourly candle will close in about 10 minutes, and looks like we are hitting a lot of resistance right here. So with that being said, wait for a confirmation for the reversal or the continuation here. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Bullish engulfing right there. Just let's hope it closes above there. So realistically, what is that going to show us? Alright, so it wants to close around here. Or, yeah. So we will use our Fibonacci retracement just to kind of get an idea of something. Where would it want to close? About there. Looks like that will eventually. I think we are selling today, guys. That's what I believe. This is our nice little pullback. Maybe retrace a little bit more. Comb is also an essential. Besides tea, comb as well, just so you guys know. Got 5 minutes until the hourly candle closes. Let's see what will happen. Let's see what will happen. T-minus 1 minute and 10 seconds until the hourly closes. Let's be patient, guys. ES is also doing the same. Whoa. We are about to close the hourly. Let's see what happens. Do we jolt back up? Do we continue selling? Let's see what the move is. Alright. Real quick fake out, followed by by what? What can we assume? Yeah. There we go. There's a little fake out for selling. So what we're realistically looking, guys, I would say, I want to see a 5 minute. So we pull back up here. We tested this area. Pull back here. I want to see a 5 minute close here for us to continue down. So if it can close here and then, come down here, boom, that's what I want to see. That's what I'm anticipating, and that's what I am pretty much waiting for. Oh, very nice. Very nice little bullish engulfing. Okay, so it looks like we turned that into support, guys. Look at this hourly candle. Very nice. Closed above there. Right there. Now, since we are going long, guys, we haven't been in the trend yet, but I would love for it to test VWAP once more, find some support there, and then pretty much break this or this previous high of day over there. So that's what I'm really waiting for. But the way this market is right now, just buy, 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 sell, sell, sell. Yeah. 15-minute closes in 2 minutes and 20 seconds, which leads it to be right here, probably right at where we ended or started selling. So let's really wait for that. If we close below, maybe it's just a continuation for boom boom. For what I meant by boom boom was close it below. We're gonna next candle we're gonna take it out, but we're not gonna close, and then we're gonna probably start selling off again. Or we continue to break through, move through here, and I think next high, let me see, for sure it would be above here, around this area, the 750 area. But we've been within this triangle, this bear flag for the longest time. If you guys haven't noticed, since we sold, just this trend, boom, 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 always respecting this trend line. So when we get close to there, we gotta wait for confirmation to let us know if we might reject again, or if we're gonna, continue selling or moving forward. Well, 15-minute closes in 1 minute, so let's wait for that first and foremost. Let's see, and it's going strong. Okay. I think we shall continue to go higher, ladies and gentlemen. I just wish there was a little bit of a pullback, because when you're just going in to buy, next candlestick could be the reversal, could be, but when you see that there's already a pullback, then you can, potentially, have your entry signal. like we are aiming for previous high of day. And that was where we get cautious, guys. Now where we wake up a little bit. Now we get in the zone. And now we shall be ready. Ready, ready, ready. There we go. A little bit too bright. All right, so we're coming back to the previous high of days, guys. I do think we touch them. I think we will go, take them out. What the market likes to do is always break previous high of days or lows. So that's what I think we're on the way to. I was anticipating a little bit more of a pullback, but realistically, this area here has been major resistance, this whole line. If you guys remember, you see that going back days, if not weeks. Always touch and reject. So let's see if we do the same thing today, because we're approaching it pretty soon. We are about to break previous. Yep, we just broke previous high of days. So let's see what happens here. Let's see. We no longer need these trend lines because they were valid previous pre-market. Get rid of some of these markings. Now let's see what happens. We are approaching that major trend line resistance that it's been following for a while, guys. So if we blow through it, like I'm talking about, if we go towards say 750, then it's up from there. But if we do reject, then now we're finally looking for a potential sell. So let's get locked in for a second. 30 minutes about to close. Less than 5 minutes. Let's see. Once 30-minute hour markers usually close, there's a lot of pullbacks or movement volatility. So that's what we're really looking for right now. Looks like, but we are approaching that. Like I said, we're approaching that trend line that's been rejected every time. So let's be patient and see. 2 minutes till the 30 closes. That's what we're waiting for. We're already getting some resistance over here on the 2 minute. This is the 2 minute chart. You see. If you were to make a move, you always want to make a move where there's been multiple resistance levels. You know, if you're going to risk it, just risk it anyways, you know. So that's what I'm waiting for. Get a little last quick push. Already rejected it. You see that? You see that? We're just waiting for that 30 to close. Waiting for that 30 to close. Get a little bit more of a pullback right here. A little bit more. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, we did take that break and retest right there. Hold on, let me see if I can. So we are in this trade. It rejected, broke, retested. Now we are currently probably going to move our stop loss right here. Maybe enter out early, depending on what happens here. Usually, it's a big 2 minutes rejecting over there. Yeah, we don't like that little pullback there. Our profit gets back in the 700, 600s. We're probably going to close out early just because that trend line there. Ooh, talk about that rejection. We'll hold it. You know what, guys? We'll do it for you guys. We'll hold the profit. Took that trade. I didn't see the 3 minute looking like this, so we're probably going to move our stop to break even. Just because, you know, it happens. Yeah, it happens. There we go. Broke even. Stop is at break even right there, guys. We're still 150 in profit, 240. You know, things like this, market rejects all the time. But looks like we're back in profit, 540. See what happens here. Okay, so far so good. Just so you guys can see, we are still in the trade right there. We just moved our stop to break even. So, you know, it was very close to the T pretty much. So we got lucky there. I think we will take profit a little bit here, I think. We're at 850 in profit. I think the best thing to do is sell. We'll sell 2 before. Well, you know, either way, there we go. We sold 2. Whoa, no, not yet. Looks like, alright, yeah. Pretty much we will hit our stop profit. We held too long, but this is the name of the game, guys. I was anticipating it would at least pull back or come down into here. So now, you know, we're just probably just gonna we'll let it play out. What happens, you know, it happens. We're up 180 right now, but I think it's gonna hit our stop loss. Yep, hit our stop loss to break even. It happens, guys. You know, our play was good. We were up in profit. Moved. We didn't lose anything, so that's, you know, it's good to let your plays play out sometimes to see if, you know, but it's also good to take profit early. So we didn't do that here. So we broke even, and that's okay. As long as we didn't lose any money, that's what matters, right? That is what matters. So it's all good. 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 Since we did get that big of a rejection there, I think we have more room for the upside. So we could look, that was our little pullback. And now I think we continue to move up from here, honestly, the way that it's looking. Name of the game, guys. The market does what it wants. You anticipated to go down, especially through this trend line. We thought it would, you know, reject and continue downwards now, but looks like I think we have more room for the upside. If not, we are breaking this trend line, I think, you know. When is the hour going to close? We have the hourly going to close soon. 10 minutes and 10 seconds. 30-minute as well. So maybe that's when it will finally start pulling back. Till then, you know. Nice little bull flag is happening. So, once we break out of this, look for an upside anywhere around here, guys. If you could get in for a long here, especially when the bull flags are happening, perfect entry. It's going to be a quick little like 30-point move, but that's all you really need a day to keep your everything in check. Yeah. I think we got 4 minutes until the 3 minutes until the hourly closes. Oh, nice. So once again, that trend line, if you look at the 30 and the hour, we have rejected it and still closing below it. So now I think it's time to potentially, look for your entry. I think I got in a little bit too early earlier, but it's okay. Like I said, it hit our stop loss, or excuse me, it hit our stop loss was at break even, so we didn't lose anything. So, the trade was kind of valid in a way. It just maybe our entry was a little bit too early. Should have waited for the hourly to close and saw a potential, short there. But it's all good. It's all good. Can't always win some, can't always lose some. Sometimes you're just content with nothing. Let's see, we got 2 minutes until the hourly closes. Remember that bull flag right there? Oh, we got 15 seconds until the market closes right about now. Perfect. Let's see what happens. Yep, we rejected. Still in this little channel. But I do think we start moving downwards again, guys, just because we've had so much resistance here at this trend line going. So if I was you, I mean, man, try to look for a quick short, probably from anywhere from above here. First, take profit here. Stop loss should be around, I would say, here. Second, take profit here. And then if the trade plays out beautifully, you have all the way, downside. But be smart about it. Take first profit here, second profit here. that being said, ladies and gentlemen, today's stream is pretty much over. I have some things I have to attend to. Plus, I'm hungry, so we're gonna go eat something, guys. We will be back on tomorrow. Market was kind of today for me. You know, we took that trade, went on our way. We're up 900, broke even, which is okay, guys. The market does what it wants. This happens all the time. As long as, you know, we stick to our trades, we execute the way we want to, find our confirmations. And if it doesn't play out, it doesn't play out, guys. We can't always win every day. So at least here you got to see that some days, it doesn't work out. If I can, probably not today, but I would like to do Power Hour, which is 2 o'clock Central Standard Time, to 3, which is 3 to 4 Eastern. There's a lot of volatility there and movement, so hopefully tomorrow I can do that for you guys. Today I got a lot on my plate, got a lot of things to do. So I will touch base with you guys tomorrow. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and we will touch base tomorrow, guys. Appreciate y'all. Hopefully everybody has a wonderful